Welcome back to another episode of Mechanical Nightmare.
2013 Chrysler 200, customer states, serpentine belt keeps shredding. Well, let's check our AC. What is that? Huh. So we've lost our AC compressor bolts. No worries. We have a scissor jack. We can just get it close and, jack it to the frame. Perfect. No, I don't know why it keeps shredding belts though.
Customer states that their rear brake has been making some noise.
I wonder what could be gone. Why isn't it starting? Oh, I don't think I should be able to pull that freely out. We're just gonna put that right back.
This customer was told by a dealership that he needed new tyres. He thought that they were trying to rip him off, so they brought it into another shop instead, and this is what the mechanic ended up finding.
No, I'm not a master tech or anything, but
Customer drove in with both rear brake rotors looking like this. The front left one is about to go as well. This customer decided to do their own trailer hitch wiring, and as you can see, it's as bad as you would think. It's definitely not going to last long like this. Not exactly what you expect to find underneath a BMW X3. Looks like the customer had a pesky exhaust leak and decided to try fix it with some duct tape and some clamps.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Someone please explain why.
Customer states that their car shakes when they go over 40 miles per hour. Customer states that their 2008 Taurus has some front end noise.
How's the other side? Oh, the other side's good.
A mechanic had been hunting the severe oil leak on his engine for quite some time, finding it was a warped plastic rocker cover. Customer drove in complaining about low power. That turbo has definitely seen better days.
Big warp.
Yeah, they showed Dave after this. Holy shit. No shock. No clavus or nothing. You're just no slack. The big it's supposed to have that. The big it doesn't.
A customer was looking at buying this car from Facebook Marketplace, and the seller sent them this video. Yeah, I think that's a pass. Who doesn't love a bit of shrapnel coming from the airbag after a crash? Customers said that there sounds like there's angry bees inside the engine. Most of the time, this just means the battery is dead and needs to be replaced. Customer states they ran over a median. Really not what you want to find in your coolant, as this means oil is somehow mixing in with it, and this can be caused by stuff like a cracked head.
Oh my god. Do I need a flush? What the...
Just sitting in it. It look horrible.
I think we found out why the AC compressor was playing up. A customer had bought this car without a pre-purchase inspection. This customer was complaining about hearing a squeaking noise coming from under their hood. The mechanic found the tensioner doing this. Luckily they caught on to it before it had fully failed. Mechanic found this rodent repellent device. No wonder the batteries die. A shop replaced this customer's fuel pump, and then a day later they came out to this massive leak. Customer states that their boyfriend did the brakes and now they don't work right. Yamaha Raptor making this odd noise after going through some mud. Let us know what you think is going on.
So the valve on this fire truck is leaking, this valve right here. Now, in order to get it, you gotta take these 4 bolts right behind the panel right over here. Take these 4. But considering earlier we removed the entire water tank from this truck, I figured it'd be a lot easier to go up through there instead of having to go through there. I hate my life.
One of these is not like the others. A person had tried breaking into this customer's car, leaving all these pry marks around the door.
Hit the clutch.
This customer had been complaining about a burning smell whenever they drove. You can't see it all, but that turbo and valve covered gasket had been pouring out oil for a while.
Right at the back.
A customer was looking at buying his truck, and although the rust doesn't seem too terrible for the most part, it wouldn't be too long before some holes started appearing in that frame. Customer states, it sounds like someone's on a typewriter underneath my hood. Can you guys check it out for me?
Well, this gasket that goes on the throttle body seems shot.
A shop failed to tighten this customer's oil filter after an oil change, but thankfully they noticed it before it was too late.
So look, I found this. They cut the wire from the ECM and they tied this into it. There's like a heat shrink with a bunch of copper wrapped in it. Comes out and feeds back to that other wire, and then this resistor, I guess it is their ground. I've never seen nothing like this before.
Go for it.
This unsettling noise ended up being a coolant leak, and that was landing straight onto the hot exhaust, causing it to boil. That is one bad wheel bearing. Thankfully the customer agreed to get it replaced ASAP. Thanks for watching another video. I hope you guys had a great weekend. Remember, you can submit your own video using the link in the description. Also, we're trying to get the number of people subscribed to our channel to 10%. Again, thanks for watching. We appreciate all the comments we get.